Hey everybody, today is Thursday, May 28th, 2020. Hope you're having a great day. Today's message is enjoy every moment to its fullest. Okay, so when you are doing something, whether it's playing with a friend, hanging out with a neighbor, or spending time with family, try to enjoy every second because it's that moment. Okay, be in that moment with those people or that person and try to enjoy it, make the best of it, and have a good time. Okay, enjoy every moment to its fullest, even on a rainy day like today. All right. Yesterday's answers for the extra credit were 585 gallons of smoothie if you filled 12 bathtubs, and then 22 cars if you charge $5 a car. All right, weird but true too. Apes laugh when tickled. If you spent $1 every second, it would take about 32 years to spend $1 billion. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Sounds like a Metallica song. An octopus can have nearly 2,000 suckers on its arms. The odds that an average golfer will make a hole-in-one during a game are 1 in 12,000. It's amazing. All right, so extra credit question from our book here. It's going to go with the octopus fun fact about the 2,000 suckers on its arms. How many octopus would there be if you had counted 14,000 suckers? So how many octopus would it take if they all had 2,000 suckers to get to 14,000 suckers on their arms? And a lot of you probably know this, that octopus, octopus, however you say that, plural, octopi maybe, they're super smart animals, and they will learn to get into tight spaces and to open things and get into things, like even jars. They can get into those kind of things. They can twist them off with those arms and use them like a hand and get into things that they need to. Okay, so as far as any work, please turn that in today or tomorrow. If you can, I'd really appreciate it. If you can't make it by today or tomorrow, please let me know. Send me an email or message through this Remind app, okay? If you came to the parade, just say thank you so much. It was so nice to see some of you that came. Those of you who couldn't make it, that's too bad. I would have really loved seeing you guys, okay? But I do miss you a lot, and it'd be nice to see you. All right. So, again, turn in any work, any questions about how to access BrainPop Junior for free, let me know. If you have the Dragon Project outstanding, please turn that in. Any paperwork or quick quizzes, fluency checks, or that review test that you took, please turn that stuff in. Okay. My fun memory box item of the day, at least fun for me, is some of you are big fans of WWE. Well, this was WWF back in the day when I was a kid. And these are 3 of my favorite characters from then, and I think a lot of people had some of these as their favorite characters. I know Layla is a big fan of wrestling, and I'm sure some of you others are as well, but for her, for sure, I knew she talked to me about it, and I love when you guys tell me and talk to me about things that you like in your lives. So this is Hulk Hogan. You probably have an idea who that is. If not, your parents definitely do. This crazy guy in the middle, his name is Hacksaw Jim Duggan. And he always carried around this 2x4, and he always had that crazy look in his face, and he would go at people with that 2x4 when he was allowed. And legend has it that he took a hacksaw and he sawed a car in half. That was his legendary backstory. And then this crazy looking fella, this is Ultimate Warrior. He had a cool entrance song, and he would shake those ropes like crazy, and he did something called the Gorilla Press as his like finishing move on people. He would do that move to them. He was a good guy. You know, there's good guys, bad guys. These all 3 were good guys. And then, of course, again, back to that, you know, Hulk Hogan, who was like the image for the WWF for a very long time. And he he just was famous for many reasons. You could probably ask your dad or mom about him. I won't bore you with that. All right. So great job. Thank you to those of you who try the extra credit. At least watch the videos. That is it. Tomorrow would be the last video for the year. Although I may put up a few here and there in the summer. If you want to share pictures throughout the summer, I'm not going to delete our classes off of the Remind app. So if you want to send the occasional picture, I could share it out so we all kind of stay in touch and know what we're doing. That would be great too. All right, you guys have a great day. Talk to you.